Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. We're taking a look today at one of the few products. I don't normally get super excited about a product. Sometimes something comes along that looks like a really great opportunity. It's rare to find something that I can look at and say, I legitimately don't know how you go wrong with this product. Today, honestly, is one of those. So, if you guys have watched any of my videos, I give lots of guarded reviews. I've given out more bad reviews than I would like. It would be super easy to just give, nice quote-unquote reviews to everybody and just promote products. But that's not how I like to do things. I would rather be honest and upfront with you. Today, we are looking at 2,000 cookie recipes. Now, when I say I don't know how you can go wrong with this, literally, you're buying 2,000 cookie recipes. Now, this is basically PLR. About the only thing you can't do with this is resell it. And let me rephrase it. You can't sell the resell rights. So you can buy this. You can put this together in cookbooks. You can make recipe videos. You can start your own cookie baking YouTube channel. You can do anything you want with this except sell the right to someone else to resell the recipes. And there is an upsell that you can if you want purchase the resale rights to this. So 2,000 cookie recipes. I'm going to jump right to the end here. Literally, we're going to zip down to the bottom. Now, there is a spot up here where it says launch week price is $7. This is a typo, according to the JV page and according to basically everything else, including this. The launch price on this will be $9. Now, $9 for 2,000 cookie recipes. Okay, so I just want you to think about what that means. That means you're paying less than a cent per recipe. It actually works out to just under half a cent per cookie recipe. Now, let's say worst case scenario, you buy this, and let's say you get busy, you fall by the wayside, you don't get around to doing anything with this, and 6 months from now, you look at it and go, oh, I've got these 2,000 cookie recipes. Give them away to someone. Seriously, you can give these to your mom, your grandma, your aunt, your uncle, your dad, anybody who likes to cook. Anybody, you're getting 2,000 cookie recipes for $9. This is, now I could be prejudiced in this because I happen to like cookies and I have an especial fondness for fresh baked homemade type cookies. And the reality is that I want to say I don't like every type of cookie, but there's 2,000 cookies in here. So it really doesn't matter if I haven't seen the list. There isn't a list of cookie recipes in here. But the reality is it doesn't matter if you like sugar cookies or drop cookies or chocolate chip cookies or oatmeal raisin cookies, peanut butter cookies, turnovers. There are 2,000 cookie recipes in here. You're going to find something that is to your own personal taste. Okay? This is really weird for me. I don't get excited about products like this, but literally, this is one of those things where if you do nothing other than work through some of these recipes to make them yourself, I think of the amount of time that I've spent myself. I don't really do a lot of baking. Once in a while, it's nice, but the amount of time that I or a significant other has spent looking for recipes online. Here you got 2,000 cookie recipes. You can just go through and say, ooh, let's try this one today, or oh, this one's a little bit different, or hey, what's new that we haven't done? 2,000 cookies. You could do a different cookie recipe every week, right? Let's cool it from every day. But if we did one cookie recipe every week, including all weeks, so 52 recipes a year, you could do a different cookie recipe every week for 38 and a half years. That's incredible. You literally, you could open a bakery with this. You know, if you're looking for ideas, you want to corner the market at your local farmer's market, or you want to open up a little bakery business, you can start it from here. So here's some suggestions. I think this is a pretty good, thorough concept of what you can do with the content. You can create recipe ebooks. Now, at the same time, you could run print on demand or low content publishing or something like that. But yeah, you can go on Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can sell ebooks with these cookie recipes. You can bundle them into collections. You can sell all of them as a bundle together. You could basically take the bundle of 2,000 cookie recipes and sell it as you bought it. You can publish them on your blog. So if you want content for your own website or your video channel, whether it's YouTube or BitChute or Odyssey or wherever you're at, you can do that. You can make your own cookbook. You can start a newsletter. Again, you've got 2,000 recipes. There's a lot of content here. Run it daily, 5 days a week. Email your subscription list and say, hey, here's a new cookie. Here's your cookie of the day. And the reality is that by the time you finally ran out, you could just start over again and no one would remember, because there's 2,000 cookie recipes. You can turn them into video slides, presentations. You can publish them in other languages. Obviously, that's going to require some translation work. Google Translate does okay. There's other translation softwares, but you can publish them in other languages. You can print up old-time posters. You can actually, when you get into print, there's a lot of stuff you can do with things like cookie recipes. I mean, you can put this stuff in almost any kind of product. You do. Not saying it's going to go anywhere, but you could do T-shirts with cookie recipes if you were inclined to. Short reels and posts, article content. Try the recipes on your own, and again, give them out to people. Now, I would not give them away for free online, but you could print a bunch of them off or give them to a friend or family member. Again, that would be, I think, the worst thing that you could, literally the worst thing you could do with this is still the best thing you could do with it. Like there's no, I don't know, how do you go wrong with a I suppose if you're, I don't know, if you I was going to say if you're diabetic, but there's 2,000 recipes, so I'm confident there's going to be some sugar-free cookies in here. I don't know. I'm just assuming. I honestly, I'm in my 40s. I've eaten a lot of different cookies in my life. I can't quite wrap my head around 2,000 different cookie recipes. So these are all compiled in a PDF document. And there's really not a lot more on here. Again, this is a good point. If you were to pay $1 for each recipe, you'd be paying $2,000 in content. Instead, you're going to get everything for $9. Oh, I was wrong. I forgot about this down here. So I'm not going to read through all of this because there's a lot here. But this is kind of a sampling of cookie recipes that are in here. So we've got filled cookies, chocolate cookie cheesecake, health nut oatmeal cookies, peppermint cookies, pizza pan cookies, meatball cookies, maple sandwich cookies, nutmeg cookie logs, Neapolitan cookies 2, ricotta cookies, molasses cookie mix, Swedish jam cookies, berried cherry cookies, pina colada cookies, Doubletree Hotel, no-bake cookies. Actually, this is no-bake cookies 6th. I kind of like to think of it as royalty. No-bake cookies the 6th. There's a lot of stuff you're going to get in this. Again, if you've watched any of my other videos, I don't look at stuff and say, hey, just go and everyone should buy this. I think almost everybody should buy this. I'm probably going to buy this. just because it's 2,000 cookie recipes for $9. And I don't know about you, when I go on Facebook, I see a lot of friends a lot of friends and family members who basically most of what they post are links to cooking videos and recipes and pictures of really nice, either cooked or baked food. This is an evergreen niche. There has never, I will tell you this, I am fairly confident there has never been a time in history when cookies have not been popular. Okay, so that's 2,000 cookie recipes. The one thing, and this isn't holding me back because you are getting everything for $9. The only thing I can think of that might be a bit of a not even a detriment. The one thing that would add to this product that I don't see mentioned in here would be pictures. And because I don't see any pictures here, or I don't see much, now there are some here, so I don't know. This could come with images, and it's obviously a very small, fairly concise sales page, which I do like, but it doesn't tell us that it's coming with pictures, so I don't know if it is or not. Okay, that's the only thing I can say about this that's not 100% positive. 2,000 cookies. There will be a link to the sales page in the video description. I'm definitely going to be writing about this, so check out the Substack as well. Subscribe, like. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you back here again soon.